Hello guys, today we are looking at ChatGPT or GPT and how to use it to our advantage when doing business. So how to write a product description using ChatGPT. Alright, so let's just open it up real quick. So I don't have an account. If you don't have an account, just make one real quick. Say continue with Google. This account. Then after you're signed in, you should be met with the tool. Alright, let's ask for a phone number as well. So let's put those in order to use this tool. It is a great tool from what I've seen, and today we'll be using it and using it to our advantage. Alright, so let's say you have a business where you sell a mixer, or let's just say a KitchenAid mixer. So you just write me a description, or I should put product description for the kitchen a mixer. And then here you go, it starts writing a description. It is very quick, that's what I'll say. And it's pretty good. I mean, you can change some of it if you want to, if something doesn't sound right, but I think this is a great description. Let's say you're selling a shirt. You can put write me a product description for a cotton shirt. So let's say you have your own design, easy to care for, and you're selling like your own clothing. And then you could add like red, blue, or like it has a design, and it will adjust that. And then what else you can use it for? You can make it longer. So just say, write me a longer description. Right, personal brand. Fine. And starts typing out or writing out of real cotton. So that is good. I think that's enough, or long enough for me. You could also do like service based. So write me a service description for a landscaping company. Let's say you have a service-based business, and then it's write what it is, and you can maybe add more details like grass or trimming or like taking care, and it'll adjust that. I mean, I think it's really great because one, it's very quick, so you save time, and two, it's like it's free, like anyone can use it. You just sign up, and it's pretty long, but let's just say, can you make it shorter? Our Lansing company offers professional services like this. If I have my own company, I might use it for like in description in the about section. Like, I think it's great. So that is how you can use GPT to your advantage with businesses. Thank you for watching.